Welcome back to Lifestyle Nutrition with Brian Diamond, and today we are going to learn what is a calorie deficit and what are the three methods of how you can attain a calorie deficit. Now, before we get on with the video, you absolutely need to know what calories are and why they matter to you. And if you don't already know, click the card right here and find out what they are. Coming back to the video, a calorie deficit is absolutely essential if you are looking to lose weight and burn fat, and if your goal is weight loss. Now, before we get on with the three methods, you absolutely need to know that the magic number for a calorie deficit is 500 calories less than your maintenance calories, your daily maintenance calories. And if you follow this every single day for 7 days in a row, you can burn 1 pound of fat, because 1 pound of fat is equal to 3,500 calories. The first method and the hardest method to be in a calorie deficit is burning a lot of calories by being active or exercising. This is really hard, but it can be done. So this is by increasing your total daily energy expenditure more than what you eat. And if you don't know what total daily energy expenditure is, click this card and find out what it is. If you've reached this part of the video, I would like you to type in the comments down below calorie deficit. If you subscribe to this channel, what you can expect is weekly videos on nutrition, weight loss, how to sustain that weight loss, and how to manage your weight after you reach your weight loss goal. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe. The second way, which is a lot easier, and this is if you do not want to go to the gym or be active at all, you can do it by following quantified nutrition. I made a video about quantified nutrition as well. You're in luck. Click this card to find out what quantified nutrition is. And the third and most effective way of being in a calorie deficit, by being in a really good calorie deficit, which is really healthy for you as well, heart healthy, for overall health, not just weight loss, and that can help you sustain your calorie deficit while being viable in the long run. Now, this is my personal favorite. This is increasing your total daily energy expenditure by being active on a daily basis and by following quantified nutrition. So it's a double-edged sword that can cut off all the excess weight that you have. I have started a signature show called Document with Diamond, where I intentionally gained 30 kilograms of weight just to show you how it's done. I tracked every single stats and my feels on a weekly basis, and I put that in the show. If you want to get to that playlist, click on this card here and get that playlist now. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. See you in the next one.